Is you happy? You happy? Since we're fixing to go to the store, we gotta get butter and sandwich baggies. Daddy's gotta have his sandwiches. See, I like taking rides in the car. Here we go. Going to my car seat. See, on my car seat I got this little froggy thing and a mirror to look at myself in, and pull ducky and vibrates. Yeah, vibrating ducky. Don't really play with that much yet. Alright.